Everything that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created, its purpose was mentioned in the Quran. Allah Azza wa Jal, He said, Allahu alladhi khalaqa sab'a samawati wa min al-ardi mithlahun يتنزل الأمر بينهن لتعلموا أن الله على كل شيء قدير وأن الله قد أحاط بكل شيء علما. Allah Azza wa Jal, He says that it is He who created the seven heavens and similar to that of earths, 7 earths. And the decree comes down between the heavens and the earth, meaning everything Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created of the heavens and the earth and the trees and the mountains and the sand and the oceans, all of this, what was its purpose? He said, لِتَعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. That's it. Its purpose was that you can come to the realization and be aware and acknowledge that Allah Azza wa Jal is capable over all things. When you see this roof above our head now, and that there are pillars in the corners that support it and carry it, and then you observe the heavens, the sky, as vast as it is, as wide as it is, and there is no pillars that carry it. من غير عمد ترونها, Allah Azza wa Jal says. He lifted this entire sky and He holds it, and there are no pillars that are attached from the sky to the earth. Why? لِتَعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ. So that you can come to the realization that Allah Azza wa Jal is capable over all things. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ قَدْ أَحَاطَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ عِلْمًا. And that Allah Azza wa Jal has encompassed all things in His knowledge. Allah Azza wa Jal is aware of all matters. You right now sitting, and there's a brother sitting next to you, or there's a sister sitting next to you. What is going on in their heart right now, there is no chance in the world for you to know what it is. However, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows exactly what's in his heart and in her heart. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ قَدْ أَحَاطَ بِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ عِلْمًا. That's the purpose for why Allah Azza wa Jal created everything around us. Everything around us. It points to the fact that Allah is capable over all things. This is the kind of belief and aqeedah that the believer is supposed to have in his heart throughout his life. We're coming to the pure heart. But be with me. This is a aqeedah you're supposed to install in your heart and commit to and adhere firmly to it. أَنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ.